The first step to make money like a millionaire is to think like a millionaire. Welcome back, guys, to another Raw Kitchen Table Talk. In these videos, we get to have these unfiltered conversations, which some like to call the red pill. Guys, if you are planning on making a lot of money, listen very closely to this video. I think a lot of you have been misguided. A lot of you have heard a lot of things without an actual explanation to what you're hearing, and you take those things as the absolute. Listen. I want to explain to you the mindset of a millionaire. A lot of you will hear entrepreneurs say, work hard, put in the work, hard work, blah, blah, blah. Sure, but the hard work is up here. 90% of the work that I do personally, guys, up here, right? 10% is my execution with my hands, physically going out there, energy-wise, executing. But the plan, the actual execution before the execution is up here. And that's the difference between an average person making money, or average way of making money, and a millionaire. An average person, their only hope is to make money quickly. That's why they go play the lotteries or do things that just try to generate quick money. But a millionaire, guys, a millionaire will never take risk, just so you know. Yes, you've heard a lot of people tell you, well, in order to make money, you got to take risk. In order to do this, you got to take risk. Yeah, risk. Calculated risk. This is the thing that gets people in trouble, average people nowadays. When they hear it, they hear, take risk, and they say to themselves, yeah, I gotta take risk. Here's my money, let me invest, let me do this, let me start this. Guys, a millionaire will never take risk like an average person will. A millionaire will take a calculated risk. We will never gamble. We will never ever do things if they have a low success rate. I have to lay out, for example, in your case, if you want to pursue a business or if you're trading, you got to lay out asset classes, you got to lay out all the businesses out there. And you pick and choose which one has a high success rate, which one a low success rate, which one is guaranteed to work, which one has a 50-50 chance. I'll give you an example. If I have 100,000 today, I have real estate, the choice of real estate, and a penny stock. Penny stock, I know, is 50-50. Pump and dump. Real estate, well, I have history to say 90% of the time, even more, it will work. It will hold its value, it will appreciate in value, and most importantly, it will always be rented to generate me revenue. Simple choice. I'm going to go for real estate. This is my last 100,000. I will not risk it on a penny stock because there's a chance it could generate a lot of money. I won't do that. I will go for the one that is guaranteed to work. And that's business as well. You always pick something that has a guarantee of working. Yes, there's still an element of risk, but I've just minimized my risk. I went into something that's almost guaranteed. So I can sleep at night as well. I can feel like I'm on the right path when I'm doing it without ever doubting what I'm doing. And that's why many people fail, is the doubt. When they start something, they will doubt it. So if you're trading today, you have a bunch of asset classes laid out. You gotta pick and choose which one has a high success rate, which one has a low success rate, and which one is easy, which one is hard, which one is enjoyable, which one is not. And sometimes the ones that you enjoy the most are not going to be the ones you're going to pick. Just so you know, even in business, you don't do things because you enjoy them. You do things because they have a high success rate, high probability of success, right? And you won't have to ever doubt it, ever, because there is data backing it up. That's the second thing millionaires will do, is they will pick things that have data, historical data backing it up to say you're on the right path. What is this data exactly? This is experience. This is listening to people who are before you. And unfortunately nowadays, you know, you really can't tell who's truthful and who's not. So when you listen to data, like me, you probably don't trust anybody. So this is where trials and errors have to come about. This is where you have to figure it out for yourself to say, I've just collected this data. I just traded Forex. I've just traded futures, Bitcoin, crypto, and stocks. Now I have to collect the data. Which one has a high success rate? Which one I can pass on to the other person and say, you know, this has a success rate higher than the other. Now, a data is not absolute if it's just within 6 months or 12 months. It needs to be, enough time for data to be collected to say, yeah, it didn't work out for me. But then you look at the other data from others, especially if you have inside information, then the data from others will be different or will be the same as your data. So it makes your data more legitimate. But if you don't trust people's data, figure out the data for yourself. Do not stick around for long doing the same thing over and over again, and then you've spent 10 years doing it with no success and you say, maybe I'm just not good. No, it's not the case of you're not good or you're good, guys. It's because the data suggests there's a slim chance of success, and there is probably reasons behind it, reasons that you cannot see, because you only see front ends, you never see back ends. So data is very important to collect when executing something or picking a business. If you want to pick up a business, for example, you got to look at how many people have succeeded at that business before. You got to see, is this business worth pursuing? Put in my time, energy, and capital. And how I know that is because I've listened to people. And even if I don't listen to it, well, I go take a walk, I see this restaurant is working, this restaurant has so many people. This kebab shop, people enjoy eating at. Well, this fish shop, people don't. So, I look at the traffic and I say this kebab shop is working while the fish shop is not. I'm gonna go for a kebab shop. Data. Gotta collect data. And I wanna leave you with one last thing millionaires do here, guys. We will never, ever go after something that is permanent or temporary success. Never, ever will we pick something that has temporary success, ever. What's the point? This is the average mindset, is to go for something that has this temporary success because they just want to make money. And I understand that, guys. We all want just to make quick money. We don't understand things at this stat. But hopefully this video has helped you. So permanent success is what we aim for. And if we want to waste our time, energy, and money, we gotta go into something that has permanent success, right? I'm gonna learn something that has permanent success. I'm gonna start something that has permanent success, not just quick buck here and there. What's the point? What's the point, guys? I'll give you an example, right? The guy on the left, this guy, let's say, started, selling things on the street, okay? Selling chewing gum. Here's another guy who started a website. The guy selling chewing gum is gonna make money instantly. Here's the guy with the website. This guy is in a saturated field, but high success rate. The guy on the right has a higher chance of success permanently, but the chance of making money quick is going to be slim. Well, which one are you gonna go for? You're gonna sell chewing gum on the street, make money quickly, and it's very little money, or start something in something that is actually, proven to work, saturated but proven to work, high success rate, but at the same time, making money slow is going to be a problem. Or he's gonna make money slow. But when the opportunity shows up, he's going to be there and he will make it work permanently. That is the problem here, guys, for a lot of average people. The mindset. So let's run it back one more time. We take calculated risk. We pursue things that have data backing it up. And most importantly, we only pursue things that have a permanent success, not temporary, not something I just make money in here and there and that's it. If you want to make money, and a lot of it, you gotta go with something that can last you more than a year, at least. And of course, the reward is what we go for. Now, I'm not saying do not chase after big rewards, but this is the mindset that you have to have first. Because after that, you're in good hands. You can trust yourself to make decisions. Okay guys, that's me done. Hopefully this kitchen table has helped you. Peace and love as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye.